Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply go to search bar and type your device manager. Then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to just expand display adapters. Then simply click here to expand it. Then right click on your display adapter, select properties, then go to drivers tab and simply select update drivers. There will be two options. First one is search automatically for drivers and the second one is browse my computer for drivers. First of all, in the first step we will select first one. It will try to download the latest drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Once done, close this. Again click on update drivers and now this time select browse my computer for drivers. Select this one. Now select the model, click on next, and there we go. So Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close this window, close all windows one by one. In the next step, go to search bar, simply type your settings and open it. Once we are here, select personalization, then just scroll down and select colors, and from here we need to select manual to the assign color. Once done, just on the same window click accessibility, and from here we need to select visual effects, and simply from animation effects we need to turn off this option. Once done, we need to close this window and go to search bar. This time search for powercfg.cpl. So click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to just expand the additional plans from here. Then once done, select high performance, then click on change plan settings and click on restore default settings for this plan. Select S and close this window. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.